Okay, so during Crop and Create in Moncton, there's a store that comes along, and every year I buy, some stuff that I'm going to use throughout the year, sort of my new stuff, and it's going to last me a year. So this is what I got. I got from Echo Park some ephemera, and that's what I said. I don't know if I got it again, but you know what? I think they're different actually. I think it's the same collection, but I got a different pack. That was just luck. So this is die cut cardstock stickers, and then I got the collection. It's gorgeous, and it's got some stickers in it. I love all the pattern papers. Yeah. So I got that and that. I try to get, stuff that I make sure to try to get some embellishments with it. Now this didn't come with embellishments, like extra. She must have been out, but I really love the pattern papers. This is You and Me, and this is Echo Park. I love the stickers, so I'll just have to make do with what I have in my stash and use that pattern paper. Now I have to say, while I was there, I think I opened up 2 collections and I used quite a bit out of both. The next collection I got was I Am Mom. I really like the colors. They're nice and bright. I love this floral here. And I love the stickers. And I also got the chipboard accents. And I got the frames and tags. And I got the die cut stickers. Like I don't get like the enamel dots and the washi and all that stuff. I just get a lot of what I'm going to use. I got a few, like I said, a few sets of pattern papers. But my order from Simon Says Stamp, it was only die cuts. And this one is Our House from Cabella. And again, oh, I love that. Love that. Love that. Love that. I love all of them. And I love those butterflies. So I really love this collection. So I'm going to be using that very soon. And then I got the die cut ephemera and the die cut cardstock stickers. Sorry, I didn't show you the rest of them. Here, I'll just show you the one before. Those were the I Am Mom. So I love that. I got another collection. It's called Hello Summer from Simple Stories. This came with stickers, chipboard, die cut pieces, and washi tape. And this is one of the ones that I've already opened, and I've used actually quite a bit out of it. I've done maybe 2 or 3 layouts already out of it, which is awesome. So it came with all of this, the chipboard and everything. So I know I'm going to get tons of use out of that one. The next one I got, which I also opened and did 2, 3 layouts, it's Flower Market by Cabella. I did use a few of those already. You can tell it's all cut apart. Love that. And then I also got the die cut stickers. Here's what they look like. I got the chipboard accent. I mean, I made 2, 3 pages and you can't even tell. Like I've opened these up and used a couple of those, but they still look full. So chipboard accent, chipboard phrases, it all goes with the same collection, and then frames and tags. So I'll be using those very shortly. Then I didn't get the pattern papers because I found like I had enough pattern papers, so I just got the embellishments for the I Love Crafting by Echo Park. So this is the frames and tags, and this is the ephemera. So I got both of those. Then the last few things I got was all from Vicky Boutin. Vicky Boutin was one of the teachers that were there. And of course she has some collections. So I got her mixed media ready to use papers. So I got those. Super cute. Got that. And then she had some loose pattern. So I got this one. This is Paper Hearts. This is Side Note. This is Scattered Leaves. Flower Shop. I only got one of each. And Pop Dots. I'm trying to be better at that. Just getting one pattern and then, you know, use them. And then there'll always be something new in another year. So these stickers, everybody was going nuts on these stickers. They sold out really quickly. They're from the Vicky Boutin line. They're called Colorful. They are so nice. Then this is also from the Vicky Boutin line. This is some thickers, chipboard, Hello Friend, and then some stickers from that same line, like that. And then I got her stencils. She had 2 new stencils. I tried them while I was on the cruise and I liked them, so I want to make sure to get them. So 2 new stencils. And then these embellishments. They're cute. We got some free ones on the cruise, but I have most of them all used up already. And then a sticker book. Oh, I love that flower. 1, 2, 3, 8 sheets. That's really good. Lots of stickers. And then I only had 1 thing of paint missing out of her paint collection, so I got the 4 paints that I didn't have. Now the next thing that I bought was a whole collection. And the reason I got it, and I got everything, is because in May I'm going to be making a mini album using an entire collection for traveling photos. So this is the collection I'm going to be using. So if you want to join me in that class, you can get the collection now and you'll have it. So it's the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Traveler. So in that collection, I got the bits and pieces. I got the chipboard stickers. Oops, only one side. I got the 6x8 to make sure that I have enough pattern papers. It's going to be a 6x8 album. I got the snap cards. And I got the stickers. I mean, you don't need all of this. I just wanted to make sure that I had tons of options. The collage bits and pieces. I'm going to make an album that is going to fit a ton of pattern, like a ton of photos. And then I got the one that has, again, the chipboard, the washi, some more bits and pieces, and a cardstock sticker, like 12 by 12. This has 8 12 by 12 double-sided papers. And they're all down here. And then they had this also, and this will be great for like matting photos and that kind of stuff. It's just called the Simple Basics, but it's with that collection. So those, they're actually patterns. There's a very fine pattern on them, so they read as solids and they coordinate with the collection really well. So that's it. That's everything that I got at Crop and Create. And it was a great time. I had a blast. Hopefully I can go again next year. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.